Bienvenue tout le monde ou le Late Night à St. George's avec moi, George de l'école secondaire St. George's de Montréal. Aujourd'hui, on a invité quelqu'un de très spécial. Je suis sûre que vous avez tous entendu parler du concours canadien de robotique qui sera déroulé au Collège Vanier, non? Donc, oubliez Mick Jagger, Mickey Mouse et aussi McDonald's. Mesdames et messieurs, St. George's vous donne le seul et unique Mechanics! Bien nouveau le spectacle, mec. Je sais que vous avez travaillé beaucoup pour ces événements. Est-ce qu'on peut regarder?
Wow.
Okay, now we're gonna have a quick commercial break. We'll be back.
Hello class, today we'll be talking about the future.
Like robots?
Yes, we're talking about CRC, which is the perfect place for robots.
What's CFC?
CRC is a unique robotics competition that started in 2001 and is 3 day long.
So the teachers do everything and I just get to miss out on school?
No, students do every aspect of the competition and teachers are just there to help.
Oh. Well, can I go to CRC?
Absolutely. All high school students or CJAP students can go.
Then where and when is it?
It's in Vanier College on 13th to 15th of February 2020.
So what's the goal of the competition?
It's just a good practice for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So go to just register on this website.
robo-crc.ca. Taxes not included.
It's in the flag. Welcome back. It's now time for a mini game I like to call Extreme Trivia.
Yes. We're going to be playing Extreme Trivia. How this game works is I'll ask a question about CRC, then the contestants will answer the question. If you win, you get $25,000. On Team Human, we have Josephine Jariev. On Team Robot, we have Mick Enix.
Oh my god. Hey guys, I'm Josephine. I want to win this competition because... Oh my god, my best friend Carly just got a cat and she knew I was going to get one first. I'm going to go block her on Instagram now.
Hi, I'm Mechanics. I want to win this because...
Cut.
Wait, sorry, what?
Sorry, man. Josephine took up too much time with her interview and we gotta keep this short.
Come on, dude, what the
Question 1. How many robots are on a team?
There are two teams, the yellow team and the blue team.
A wise man once said they were all on the same team. That wise man, his name was Finn Wolfhard.
Okay. Anyways, Mick Enix, you are correct. Question 2. We all know the name of this year's game is Flip. What are some of the power-ups for Flip? Stop. Show us your answers.
Can he not bother me while I'm doing my streaks for Snap?
A power-up can be triggered by an actuator. First, there is the chained ball actuator that gives the power-up that makes the drop rate of the game point dispenser speed up to double its speed. Then there is also the arch actuator, which has 3 different possible power-ups, which gets chosen by the teams at the beginning of the game. First, the speed of the conveyor is half its speed or the game point dispenser drops 3 times its normal speed, or a black game point drops on the conveyor. A black game point gives 200 points compared to the normal 20 points. The twister actuator freezes the conveyor belt. The mushroom actuator temporarily increases the speed of the conveyor belt. The hinged board changes the direction of the conveyor belt. At the beginning of the game, it is a drag race to get to the hinged board to flip the conveyor belt in the direction of your team. After that, you are allowed to flip the conveyor belt with the hinge one more time.
That was very well explained. Question 3. How do you score points? Stop and show us your answers.
Sorry, what? Oh, Young Man beats? Loser.
Real players know everything to win. You need to get as many beanbags in your basket as possible. There are many possible ways to get beanbags. You can activate the power-ups to speed the convoyer and rate of the dropping of the beanbags. But most importantly, you should get the convoyer going in your direction.
Yes, that's correct. Congratulations, mechanics. You won $25,000.
That's all for this week, folks. A huge thank you for Mechanics for agreeing to come to this interview. And as always, see you next week.